Coleshome Bookshelf Storage Rack 4-tier vintage book rack organizer for home office industrial-style storage shelves flower stand rustic brown. Large space and open shelves design 4 tiers bookshelf with open pack design allows you to display your collections in all directions.The elegant iron bookshelf can not only decorate your home prefect but also store your favorite multiple family items like books, family photos, CDs, utensils, tableware or potted plants. Bookshelf guarantees the merits both in functions of down-to-earth storage and decorative nature. Sturdy and stable construction, constructed by contemporary iron which is completely solid, durable and rust-proof. With excellent metal bracket and thick solid panel, each panel of the bookcase can hold up to 11.5 lbs.The bracing on the back provent bookshelf from shaking, or waggling.You you can safely store or display your essentials on it. Hard-wearing materials is rust and stain resistant, making this bookcase easy to clean. Industrial design complete your home or office decor with this elegant industrial bookcase, artfully combine antique wood grain and chic matte black iron, bringing your space a calm yet fresh feeling. The sleek, streamlined design blends harmoniously into any home decor. A perfect addition of your furnitures in bedroom, living room, cafes, office and other places. Easy assembly, tools and instructions that needed are included in the package. Follow the instruction. You can assemble it step by step without any hassle. A relaxing and pleasant installation experience is guaranteed. 100% satisfaction. Products shipped from the USA warehouse, and the package included all tools you need. Meanwhile, we are always available to provide professional customer service and respond within 24 hours before and after your purchase, so don't wait any longer and enjoy it right now. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.